Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your CPU and platform features. This is essential because Windows 11 blocks unsupported processors. Check TPM2, 0 and secure boot status, then boot into UEFI to enable them if available. Once done, note the BIOS version. Firmware often affects compatibility. Make a full system backup and create a Windows 11 recovery USB so you can revert if something goes wrong. These steps prepare the system and prevent data loss while you proceed to the bypass and install. Next, create installation media with the official ISO. Tools like Rufus simplify the process and can include bypass options. If setup refuses to proceed, use the registry bypass key. Allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU set to 1 in the repair environment. This tells setup to ignore CPU or TPM checks. Then run either an in-place upgrade to preserve apps or a clean install for a fresh system. Make sure you pick the correct partition and confirm backups. This sequence completes the actual. Finally, after installation, immediately update the BIOS and install chipset drivers so the OS recognizes your processor and power management correctly. Once done, run Windows Update repeatedly until all important patches are applied, and monitor stability for 48 to 72 hours. If you see blue screens or device errors, undo the registry bypass and restore from your backup, or boot the recovery USB and collect logs for diagnosis. One key tip: if networking fails, roll back the network driver before full restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.